Hi, it's Darnell with Wave Oven Recipes, and today I'm going to be cooking a fried egg in the Nuwave Breville XL Smart Oven Air Fryer using its grill function, and this is pretty impressive stuff. So we're going to get started with that, and while we get started, be sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you always get notified when new videos are available. So we're going to get started right now. Okay, so I've got myself here 2 large eggs and a black baking pan, and I've got some cooking spray also. I just want to mention I've got the rack on the lowest rack in the Nuwave Breville XL Smart Oven Air Fryer. That's a key here because the grill function brings only the bottom heating element into play here. The top heating element is not used. So basically the grill function brings all the heat from the bottom, only from the bottom, to heat things from the bottom. That's how we're going to heat this egg. And this way it cooks up a fried egg, and you don't have to have, like with other air fried eggs, you'll have the top be sometimes usually overcooked because of the heat coming from the top down. But here we're getting heat only from the bottom with the grill function. So I'm going to spray this baking pan with some non-stick spray. And then I'm just going to set my 2 eggs on there, just open them up. Alright, now that we've got the egg set out there, I'm going to turn the Nuwave Breville XL Smart Oven Air Fryer on. I'm going to hit menu till I get to grill. So now I'm on the grill function. I'm going to bring the temperature down to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Going to hit time temp. I'm going to lower the time down to just 4 minutes. That's it, 4 minutes. Hit start. And so it's preheating. It has to preheat to that 350 before I put the eggs in. Since it's only heating from the bottom heating element, the preheat takes a fairly long amount of time since it's only heating from the bottom, but this is how we want to do it so we know that bottom heating element is really fired up and the bottom rack is real fired up. I know that, I probably could preheat in other ways to get both elements into play, but I won't be doing that because I want to make sure that bottom's well heated and that the heat's coming from the bottom. And although the whole oven is 350, the bottom is where the heat's really firing up from. And you'll see how that works out with these eggs when I put them in. So I'll bring you back when this preheat's over. Okay, so things have reached 350. The preheat's done. It's just doing a 5-minute countdown to give me an opportunity to get my eggs in there. So I set them on in there and just gonna hit start. 4 minutes, I'll bring you back. Alright, we are coming into the final 10 seconds of this cook. 4 minutes at 350 degrees with only the bottom heating element. And it's over. Going to get it on out of here. And so here's our finished product there. So with the 4 minutes to cook, it basically took, I would say maybe 10-11 minutes for the preheat. So the preheat runs long to get the bottom real hot, but you see in just about 4 minutes I've got a completely cooked egg. The yolks are not overcooked. Some of the side here that was like real thin part of the egg got a little cooked there, but the yolk part is looking real good. It's perfectly preserved, so it didn't overcook there. I'm gonna try and get this off of here now. I think I'm splitting my yolk as I get part of it off of the pan. Yeah, I kind of split the yolk on that part, but basically you can see it, although I didn't retrieve it off very well, and maybe I could have used a little more cooking spray to ease sliding it off, it's very well cooked. So just going to just slice a piece there. I'll just do a taste test of that. I'm gonna get the camera swapped around. We'll taste test. All right, our 4-minute grill fried egg from the Nuwave Breville. Let's taste. Perfectly fried egg. Turned out great. So, you know, this is how you can do your fried egg. Do it in a consistent manner. You know, if you do it on a skillet or something, you got to keep track of it. You got to keep an eye on it. This way, you know, consistency every single time. I can do this every single time consistently. And so that's pretty good. And so this, other recipes, cooking instructions are at superwaveovenrecipes.com. If you go to waveovenrecipes.com, it'll bring you right to the front page of this YouTube channel. That's waveovenrecipes.com. On Twitter and Instagram, Wave Oven Recipes. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel as I mentioned earlier, and good eating.